Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I want to show you guys what I got. I actually travel quite a bit and what I like doing, because we're all collectors, and I kind of want to talk about what is a collection and why do we buy things. First of all, I like to invest in things that I want to keep for the rest of my life. So when I make a journey or a holiday to any other country, I look at my house and think, what is it I need still? So I had a mission. I wanted to buy some napkins from linen or cotton, because I have these beautiful napkin rings that I bought a whole long time ago, and I thought Tunisia is a good place to buy that. I went to TK Maxx and I found these beautiful napkin rings that come together with like these, what do you call these, coasters? And they are made of crystal, so it's a crystal with a golden edge, and there's two types of them. I have these kind of onyx ones and then these darker onyx, I believe, and those are coasters to put your glass on. So in the future, when I have my own house and I want to have my family or friends over for dinner, I imagine this beautiful table. They came with these napkin rings. There's these ones, all gold, and I needed a napkin for that. So in Tunisia I found these beautiful cotton napkins that go really well with it. So I bought, I think I have 8 of these, so I bought 9 because they came in packs of 3, and that's what it will look like. This is the type 1 I have, and then I also have these ones that are more blue. So I'm very happy with these napkins that go with the gold thread that's in it. I hope you guys can see. Then I also had these silver napkin rings, and here you go. I bought some white cotton napkins in Tunisia as well that go really well. So I got 2 types of tables. I have a damask tablecloth from my grandma, which is white, and the musk is like a cotton. And before I went to Tunisia, I found these Tissot watches from the 80s, and these were made because I'm not a watch person. I don't have any watches. And I found these watches that are made out of granite, and I fell in love with it on eBay. I found one that's made of white marble, and this is the one. So these were made in the 80s, so this is over 40 years old. So I have quite thin wrists, and this is a very thin watch. I think it's like 30 millimeters, so like 3 centimeters in width, and that's what it looks like. It's a leather strap, and it has this completely rock surface. And then I was in Tunisia and I found this bracelet, which is like a brown granite. So eventually I want to buy this watch in a brown as well, if I can find it on eBay, because they're secondhand. So I bought this first, and it still goes really well, I think, on the hand. Of course, I wanted one that matches this marble, and then I found this one, which is also a white marble, and this is what it looks like when I wear it together. This is the kind of jewelry I'm really into, because I think it's timeless, just rock, and I'm a big fan of that. Then I was in this, you know, these hippy dippy kind of shops you have in most cities, and in my city I found this pendant that they sell there, also a white marble. I'm actually wearing a Louis Vuitton lock on my neck currently, together with its keys, but this is the pendant I shall show you. As we walked through different cities, we visited a lot of Tunisia. I came across the game Patience. I'm not sure if you're familiar. No, it's not Patience. No, it's Solitaire. I absolutely fell in love with this onyx version of it. So the whole board is made of onyx, and then it comes with all these different type of granite balls. If you want to play a game alone, you can play, and it's good for when the internet is off or you're out of electricity, which never happens. Now, my fiance is a chess player, and I'm not. I don't actually really know or understand the rules. However, we came across this beautiful chessboard without the pieces. So the mission then was, in other towns, can we find pieces that matches the board? And we actually then found a shop where they had just the pieces, and miraculously it actually goes so well with the board. Here is what it looks like. It's a pretty heavy chessboard. The whole board is made of onyx, and so are these pieces. but these are the more green colored ones. And these are the white pieces. And very thrilled to have this. So again, I bought this because it will never go out of style. It's always good to invest in something, spend a bit more money if you know you don't want to get rid of it. I will eventually do a home tour where you will see my house and how everything I have is something that I never want to get rid of. Same for my clothing and my handbags. I buy them because it has meaning to me personally, and it's something I will never get tired of, so I want to have it for the rest of my life. And that's how I amalgamate my house. So everything I own is a lot of antiques. Some things come from TK Maxx, or sometimes I inherit things like a coat from my grandma. Lesson I've learned in life is not to buy things because of a trend. It's the same with my handbags. I buy it because of the designer I'm a big fan of. Like I got Fendi bag, which is made or designed by Karl Lagerfeld. I got a bag here, which is from John Galliano, or a fashion show that has just left an imprint on me, and therefore I want to buy that bag. And then yesterday I was in a secondhand shop here in town, and I found these little onyx lamps, but without a lamp shade, and I got 2 of them. So ignore this ugly top bit, there will be a lampshade on top, but it's real onyx, and I'm very much in love with it, because if you see, this goes so well with some of the chest pieces. So now we have chest lamps. And then I came across this necklace, which I also really like. Again, it's silver with rocks. It's quite a timeless piece. And as you could have seen in my last video, when I showed you my fragrance collection, I also bought some hand-blown glass bottles for perfume. And this is one of them. So it's all glass, this is glass, and there's a little dipper at the bottom. So once it's filled with perfume, you can just put this and apply it to your neck, and some drips will go into your skin. They're all slightly different, and these are the other 2. I think they're beautiful, and I will use these, and I will not get tired of this, because it goes with a lot of things in my house. But sometimes you see something in a green or a pink color, and I don't have anything in that color, so then I don't buy it. This goes with things I already have. I have a lot of blue and white kind of glass vases, and so I thought this goes really well, and this way my house will remain like cohesive. Another thing I found in Tunisia, I bought in my hometown in Holland a jewelry piece, which is a pendant for a necklace, which is made out of shell. So it's a natural product, and then it's finished with a bit of gold. And then I found this beautiful jade necklace, to which I have added the pendant, the shell, which is green. Sorry for the other necklace I'm already wearing, but that's what it will kind of look like. Sometimes you're on holiday and you buy souvenirs, and you buy something that you don't really need. This mosaic made of marbles, and it's a cat. Just hang it on the wall with this hook on the back. And yeah, I'll find a place for this. I do have some marble, tabletops where I can put this on, and it will look pretty nice. So these were the things I bought in Tunisia. I did do a bit of shopping this week. As I said, I went to the second-hand shop where I bought a coat for £3. I shall show you that. It's a lammy. But what a lot of people don't remember is that leather you can treat, you can nourish it with leather cream, or you can recolor it. So this is what it looks like now, and I wished I showed you guys what it looked like before. So there's absolutely nothing wrong with the coat. It's a lammy, so it's completely sheepskin on the inside and leather on the outside. And this was very stained. And then I thought I'll make it darker by putting a dark brown polish on it. And I actually have another coat, which is the same material, so lammy. And again, it's faded. So I will show a video in the future, if you guys like this, where I upgrade the item and treat it with leather products. Actually, I realized, I think it's the Armani show where some people were attending. I'll insert a picture, and they were wearing exactly this coat. I'll show you what it looks like when I wear it. I think it's a very chic look, and it fits perfectly. And I didn't need any more brown coats, but you know, when it's only £3, you cannot just let it go. I also went to Gunwharf Quays, which is it's an outlet in Portsmouth, which is on the seaside. It's absolutely beautiful there. Next time I will vlog it. And they had a Karl Lagerfeld store, and so I found these reduced for a really good price. I bought this for £30. They were originally 75. Oh no, and before that they were £109. And they are leather fingerless gloves with some crystals on it. And they're quite tight, but I shall put them on. And this is so timeless. It could have been Chanel, and it goes with so many coats that I have. So I'm very happy with these as well. All right, as I said, collections of shoes. I have a F-load of shoes, and I got some leather goods from Tunisia as well, and there they are, these leather sandals. I'm just gonna put them on so you can see what they look like. They're like gladiator style, and this is what they look like on my gladiator shoes, and you can hear them as well, which is but who cares? They're like all leather. I also took some shoes to Tunisia to get them fixed. So these I inherited from my uncle, and as you can see they put a new heel on it, fixed the wood, so those are fixed. And then, for instance, last time I went to Morocco, I bought some other house shoes, all leather, including the sole. I've worn these to death, but they're still good. Got a pair of the yellow ones and a pair of the blue ones. And again, from Morocco, these jean shoes. They're just step-ins, completely leather on the inside, and I have them in suede as well. That's what I'm telling you. If you go to a country like Morocco or Northern Africa somewhere, keep in mind these shoes were like €10, and it's full suede. That's what it looks like on. It's very easy if you just need to go run some errands in town or go into your garden. And this with jeans I love, because the jeans will continue into the shoe. So I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Subscribe to my channel for more content. I upload videos every Thursday, so keep an eye out for that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.